If you're trying to play Black Ops 2 on your PS5 but you're stuck searching for a match and can't find any games, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of things you can try to fix the Black Ops 2 matchmaking and connection issue. First, launch Black Ops 2 and go to Public Match. When you're searching for a game, go to your matchmaking preferences and make sure it's set to any instead of a more specific option. This gives the game more options when searching for a match. Now, if you're still unable to find a game, the problem could be related to your internet connection. Go back to the PS5 home screen and open Settings. Now go to Network, then select Settings. Choose Set up Internet Connection. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently using and press the Options button on your controller. Now, look for Wi-Fi frequency bands. If it's currently set to automatic, try changing it to 5 GHz. If that doesn't work, you can also try 2.4 GHz and check which one works better for you. Next, go back to your network settings and open Advanced Settings. Find DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary DNS, enter IMEI 1.0.0.1. Save the settings and let the PS5 complete the connection test. Once that's finished, restart your PS5. Then launch Black Ops 2 again and try joining a public match. Hopefully you're now able to find a game and join the match normally.